Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Welcome to our series on Kitab Ar-Riqaaq, on the book of Heart Softeners, where we will be joined by our beloved Shaykh Ali Hammuda. Bidnillahi ta'ala, I will be reading these ahadith that we've chosen from this wonderful book, and we will be listening to Shaykh Ali's commentary, Bidnillahi ta'ala, and hopefully interacting with you a bit, Bidnillahi ta'ala, to really try to get the full benefit of this, especially in a time like Dhul Hijjah, where we're transforming ourselves and seeing the images of a journey back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, taking the heart on Hajj.